It's been 1 week since the last video, and today I will show you the progress, how the plants grow. Check it out! Look at this beautiful little plants here. Look, these are cucumber. It's been only 1 week and I'd say it's 10 centimeters average. Wonderful. Look at this. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, the second row here are the bitter melon. It's they have bigger seeds, so they take more time to grow. Next are the beans. They also have a big seeds, so that's why it takes time. But I think it's growing here. Look closer. See here? It's starting to grow. The next row here, these are the cauliflowers. Nice, beautiful. Look at these. They are ready. But since the temperature outside is still cold, we're going to keep it here for a few more weeks. After, we have the broccoli, similar to cauliflower, very similar. This row are pepper. I wonder why it takes time to grow here. The seeds are small. Anyway, it's okay. No problem. And on to the next, we have the carrots. Wow, look at these carrots. Look here. Ooh, beautiful. Carrots. And then we have the tomato. Tomato or tomatoes? I don't know. And next are the lettuce. They all grow similar size. Look at those. Yeah. And the last row are the spinach. They grow so healthy. Oh yeah. Can't wait for summer. Can't wait for warm weather. All right. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned. More to come. Have a nice day.